welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. Come on in. I know I always say this, but please grab a snack, grab a drink, curl up, get comfy, have PLT ready on your phone to find everything I'm talking about and order it yourself, because no joke, 4 gigantic bags worth of PLT things coming your way. First, I just want to tell you guys about an amazing jewelry brand that reached out to me and I'm actually working with, and I'm so excited. The pieces actually came on my birthday. My birthday was Monday the 21st, if you guys were interested. Thank you to everyone who wished me happy birthday as well. But these pieces came on my birthday, so it felt just like a little extra birthday present. But it is from the brand Louisa, and I picked up 2 different types of earrings. I have to admit, it was so hard to narrow down the pieces because there are so many good pieces on there, especially perfectly priced as well. I love that the company is into sustainability, helping the environment. It came in like a really cute cardboard package. Sadly, I have misplaced mine in the birthday kerfuffle. It got lost with everything else, and then all the little pieces come in a really cute felt bag. But the pieces that I got were 2 earrings, and I will show you them now. So I've actually already put them in because I'm like that. But I got these here, these little safety pin ones, and honestly they are just the most cutest, daintiest, like beautiful pieces. And then I also got these little huggies, these ones right here. Look how much more like blingy and better quality it is. It's this one, and then I put the other one in my nose as well. I love having a nose hoop that's a little bit more blingy as well. I like bling, okay? So Louisa was actually the perfect brand for me to collab with. I do have a discount code for you guys. Please check them out because their website is absolutely like gorgeous. It is so stunning. It looks so elegant, so unique. And like I said, it was so hard just to narrow a couple of pieces down. I'm actually going to go and order a couple of bracelets myself, because the safety pin earrings, they have a bracelet that's very similar, and I just feel like I want the whole set to kind of match. Please go and check them out because their quality is absolutely incredible. Like, you can see the difference between those earrings and my other cheaper ones. It's just next to none. So make sure you check them out, especially because they have fair prices and you can get a discount. Who doesn't love a discount? I know I love a discount myself. And I just want to thank Louisa again from the bottom of my heart. It means so much that you guys sent those over to me, and like I said, it came on my birthday, so it felt like a little extra birthday present. So I was unwrapping, and it was just really sweet of them to do. So thank you so much for sending them out. Don't forget to check the description bar down below. I will leave the discount code, the link, all that, and then I will leave the links for these ones as well, and check them out because the prices are so good. It starts from like $39. But now let us get into the madness that is 4 huge bags of Pretty Little Thing. First up, we have a pair of boots. These are wide fit grey snake PU high knee point block heels. Now, I have tried these ones on already, and sadly they are going to be returned, only because I have very large calves, and no matter what I do, no matter what diet I do, no matter what exercise at the gym I do, absolutely nothing's going to get rid of those calves. A lot of it is muscle. I'm a big girl, so I've got big legs because I have to carry a lot of weight. Get the joke? And I hoped that these would fit, but they don't. They do have a tiny bit of like a stretcher thing right there, but it's just not enough. If they were a zip, I could easily manipulate myself into getting them on, but nonetheless, they're very nice. I would have loved to have kept these because I brought a whole outfit around them. It's just a shame that they don't fit. Maybe if I wore tights, I could just like slip them on. I don't know, I might try, but they are absolutely gorgeous. They are like the PU kind of material, grey, snakes in, literally honestly everything that it says on the tin. A block heel. The heel is quite, what's that word? Steep. When I tried them on, I was like, whoa, okay. But yeah, I do really love them. I might try them with tights just to see if I can slip them on over, because they are really nice. I got another pair of shoes. These ones are gold ankle strap block heel, and this is what they look like. Now, these are a 7 and I am a 7. I think I need like a 9. These are the smallest 7s I've ever tried. So I think I'm just going to return them because the ones that I actually want are on ASOS, and I may just get the ASOS ones, but they're just like a gold, shiny, barely there sandal. And I wanted these with like jeans and like an oversized shirt, like a white shirt or something, just to kind of like casual them down. And like I said, the ones that I originally wanted to buy on ASOS, but I just didn't get them. I think they were more expensive, but I can't get my foot in there. That is not a 7. I'm sorry, but it's not. So they'll probably be going back. We then have a top. This was actually a last minute choice for me, but it's so cute. I've only just opened it now, so I'm just assuming that it's cute, but it does look cute. It looks very see-through. I'm not gonna lie, my mirror is there, that's why I was looking. Cream brushed long sleeved top, and I got this in a size 16. It is from the curve section though, and then it's just got a slit at the bottom and then a slit at the top, and then you're only done in the middle. But I thought it was really nice. It's super stretchy. Yeah, I just thought it was really cute. And then the sleeves, I wouldn't even notice. The sleeves are kind of opened and flared too. Pretty Little Thing are just surprising me. But yeah, I thought this was just like some jeans and like a leather jacket, or layering it as we go more into winter. I thought it was really cute. It's just very see-through, isn't it? Oh well. Then I picked up a blazer. I'm on the hunt for a really good blazer. So I picked up a couple from Pretty Little Thing, so don't be alarmed. Obviously, I'm not going to keep them all. This one is cream tailored woven cream tailored woven blazer. I got this in a size 14. I will leave links to everything I got down below. This is a creamed one. It's got soft shoulder pads, and then almost kind of like light tortoiseshell buttons. I don't know if this isn't, the length is good from what I can tell. Obviously the try-on clip, I'll know more. The length is what I'm looking for, but I don't know if the material is good enough. So I may keep it and then just probably properly style it, because obviously I've just got a shirt on now. Properly style it with like a little crop top and jeans and then see how I feel. But I think I like it. It's probably one of the better ones that I've tried. Like, I really just want some good blazers. Right, let's do this next bag. I can't believe I spent enough to get 4 bags, honestly. So we have a pair of jeans. These again are from the plus section. Thank God they are stretchy. They didn't specify they were stretchy. They're the plus vintage wash thigh rip raw hem. Got a size 18, and they are stretchy, so I probably could have done with a 16, but that's fine. They're like a mid denim wash, very basic skinny jean, but on the thigh is just a rip. And I thought they were quite cool. They probably go with what I'm wearing now. I'll probably put them on now and wear them for the rest of the day. I am just wearing pajama shorts, so just thought I'd let you know in case you see it in the mirror and you're like, what's that, Soph? The pajama shorts. Yeah, I really like these. If they fit, perfect. If they're too big, we'll see. I didn't think that they would be that stretchy. But yeah, just a very basic pair of jeans with a slit in. I love jeans. I know not many people do, but I just find that I don't really suit trousers properly. I then, oh, I got excited there, didn't I? I picked up this 2-pack of very standard, like, oversized tops. We are hopefully going on holiday, fingers crossed, next year to Disney. But these ones are with like biker shorts are just great. So it came with a black one and then a white one, and you can kind of like cater these how you want. Like, you can make them distressed, you can make them like tie-dye, you can add crap onto them. So I just picked up those, and like I said, they came in a 2-pack. This is what I got for the snake skin boots. It is a grey, not very high, which I like. Like, I don't like the fold over ones, like I feel claustrophobic. A high neck knitted jumper dress. I love that the sleeves are like baggy and then they go cuffed. It is a really nice material. It feels so nice. I think I just got this in a large. Yes, a large. Came in small, medium or large, and I just got a large. And I wanted to wear this with the boots. Would that not have been so cute? I might have to try those boots with tights on because I'm obsessed with them. Or just like, you know, shave off half of my calf. They're just so, my calves are so big. But no, I really love this. Like I said, I love that it's not a roll neck. I think that it's a little bit more flattering. And just like a really basic staple. Like you can add jeans onto this if you're really cold. You can add like black tights. You can just wear boots. You can do trainers. You can do a big woolly coat. You could do it by itself. You could do a leather jacket. I picked up a cardigan. Oh, I'm going crazy, guys. This is a grey ribbed knit midi cardigan. Basically everything that it says on the tin. It is grey, it's ribbed, it smells like plastic, but that's fine. And then again, it just has like the cuffing on the sleeves. I just thought this, I mean, I'm not gonna lie, the arms looked way more baggy on the model, but they might look like that on me instead of just like this. I just thought this with like a crop top and like jeans, perfect for autumn, fall, winter transition. This is a black oversized, oh, it stinks of fish. Oh, it stinks really bad. Oh Christ, oh God. Oh, oh Christ, right. What does it say? Treat me what? Treat me good, colour may run. The smell may run in my nose. Black oversized PU biker jacket, size 14. Now I have a few different types of leather jackets. The majority of them are cropped. I don't have one that's longer. This is perfecto. Just the smell. It is very PU. It's not like the leathery, well, it is leathery look, but not like the, no, structured leather. It's more PU. But no, I like this. Like I said, I don't have one that's longer. So this is what I've wanted. So I'm happy. It just has silver hardware everywhere. The bottom has a buckle as well. And like I said, I got this in a 14, but it is oversized, so that fit me quite well. This is a cream version of the grey cardigan we just saw, so exactly the same. The balloon sleeves with the cuff. I didn't know if I wanted this. I feel like I do, but I can't keep both. So I ordered both just to kind of see which one I would probably opt for most. There was just two things in that one. Right, next up is a coat. Now, originally I wanted this in the plus section because I only saw it in the plus section. And then it went out of stock, but it's actually in the, what is it called? Straight size section. So I picked it up in that. But this I got in a size 16. It's the Amelia black shaggy faux fur jacket. And this is what it looks like. I just think that this one would be great for like my day-to-day coat. I know it looks very extravagant. If you saw half of my coats, you would actually think this is quite toned down. Oh, it even does up. Oh, that's a very generous 16. I would possibly downsize. Like I would have probably have got this in a 14 if I knew it fit like this, because I'm very warm-blooded. I don't know about anyone else. So if you put layers on me, I will just sweat. If you put a jumper underneath this and this, I will just drench with sweat. So I could do a 14 really. And I'm not in any rush to have it this second, so I could just exchange it for a 14. Because it is quite long on the arms as well. Right, last bag. I know at least one thing in here, everything else, not a clue. This is the one thing I knew. Joggers. I only own one pair of joggers. I know! How did I survive lockdown with one pair of joggers, guys? I do not know. Oh no, these are going straight back. Are they? They've got a drawstring. They do have a drawstring waist, never mind. They look a little bit, Miss, I've forgot my PE kit, go and take something from the lost and found. Okay, I found this. I don't like the colour. No. No, I don't like those. I don't like that colour. No, I don't like the colour. No. No. This one is cream woven triple blazer. Got this in a 14. Don't like this one. I don't like it. I don't like it, I can tell. No. No, I don't like the fabric. It feels linen-y, and I don't like that. So no, there's no structure to it. No, no. Can I say no any more times? No! No, not a fan. Last blazer. This one looks a tiny bit more promising. I think out of all of them, this is my favourite one. Material wise, I think it's a little bit more structured, it's a bit more thicker. This one is the Stone Oversized Button Down Woven Blazer, and I got this in a 14. I think this one's probably my favourite. The other one was definitely a no, and it's probably between this one and the first one, but this one is more structured. I'd like to see it like steamed maybe. You know when they send you blazers and it's creased and you're like, what do I do with this? Maybe if it was steamed, perhaps. I did pick this up in a previous just one item Pretty Little Thing order, and I loved it, so I thought I'd just show you anyway. It's a really, really nice, is it cream or white? I'm really bad. Cream cable knit V-front jumper dress, and I got this in a large. It is so nice. Like I said, I love jumper dresses, and the fact that this one's a V-neck is a little bit more nicer for me and a little bit more flattering. And it's just got like the knitted things down the arm. I like that the back is actually plain as opposed to knitted all around, and it is not itchy. Which is probably like the biggest deal breaker for me. The bottom bit has the elastic kind of thing where it whooshes together. But no, really massive fan of that. Massive fan. To live my Winterland fantasies. Look at that. I'm too scared to try it on because of my makeup and it being cream. Oh, it fits. It's a sign from the heavens. This was expensive. This was like 80 quid, I'm pretty sure. Where are the pockets? Oh, Pretty Little Thing. Oh, there's no pockets. Okay. Oh my god. I need to send a picture of this to my friend. I really do. Amelia, do I keep this? This is the cutest thing I've ever got in my life, but I'm too scared. Because it was expensive, I'm like, do I keep it? So it does come with a little belt as well to wrap around. I'm sorry, I don't know if I can take this off. It's so warm outside as well. But it's so gorgeous. Did I tell you what it was? This is the tall. This is what I liked, is I like it came from the tall section. I'm 5'8". I like to say 5'7", but I'm 5'8". And this came really long down, and it's the Maxi Bubble Faux Fur coat in a size 14. And it's just gorgeous. It is so nice, and it feels like if I could wear this fabric every day for the rest of my life, I would never be upset. It feels so soft. Like imagine a blanket in this fabric. Use this as the blanket. I'm obsessed. I think I have to keep that. But anyway guys, that was it for my humongous autumn, transition, fall, whatever you kind of want to call it, haul from PLT. Thank you so much if you made it this far. Like I said at the beginning, make sure you check out Louisa as well. Like I said, I'll leave everything linked down below for you guys. I now need to try all this on and then be crucial about what I'm keeping, which is probably going to be all of it. Apart from the blazers, I don't like those, and the boots. But yeah, I'm just very overwhelmed with all this. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, I'll see you guys very soon.